This dress is sort of like the definition of that Pinterest dress because
especially for short people, तो I think it'll go floor length.
last piece में तो मुझे एकदम है ना पागल कर दिया है. ये नाइट सूट का क्वालिटी है.
Oh my god, this looks like angel and devil. I've said really a lot of times in this video, you could actually play like a sipping game on this.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Janvi Bhatia. I'm back with another video and this time it is a haul. Now this brand I've never really tried, so I really don't know what the quality is going to be like. So देखते हैं और hope करते हैं कि मेरे पैसे डूबे नहीं हैं. So let's start. Okay, by the way, I'm going to do this cool thing like a fit check thing before every video starts. So I'm going to switch on the fit check camera and I'm going to let you guys know where my outfit is from and a little bit of my makeup as well. So yeah. You all must have known the brand by the title of the video. I bought things from Savannah by Urbanic. I always thought Savannah was always a part of Urbanic, like a brand on the app itself, but I guess there are two different apps now. I used to not shop a lot from Urbanic also, so I really don't know so much. So correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, I still bought a couple of pieces. I had to open one of these because ये जल्दी आ गया था और मुझे return करना है कि नहीं मुझे देखना था. And yes, I'm gonna return one of these pieces from this parcel. So make sure to listen to me and check the reasons why I'm returning and not just see the pieces that I've bought in the haul. So let's get into it. So most of these pieces are in fact a lot of dresses because I'm a sucker for dresses and I love just, if I could, I would only wear dresses all my life. But since there was a little shortage of dresses in my wardrobe right now, I ordered quite a few pieces. I really like the fact that they gave everything in a Ziploc bag so I can use it later on as well. This is the first piece that I got from Urbanic. It's a cute mini dress with a very trendy aesthetic and that is the balloon aesthetic. This is the dress. Okay, I'm going to give you the first impressions of the quality and the fabric and the kind of design first. And then I'll show you the entire fit. As for the fabric, it seems like a very good fabric for like, you know, dressier occasions. It is not just like printed. The white design is sort of like वो उभर के बाहर आ रहा है. It's a part of the fabric. This is the kind of fabric only. And नीचे से it has an elastic that holds the balloon in place. So it seems very cute. This dress is sort of like the definition of that Pinterest dress because it has those puff sleeves. It is pink and it is white. It is that balloon aesthetic trend. Like, what else do you want? Mom thinks it's a little short, but I really don't have like cute mini dresses and I really think it looks really cute on me. So I'm gonna keep it. We'll have to convince her in the comments, please. It has this cute v-neck as well and it has a back zipper which makes everything like a lot more cinched. So yeah, I really like it and I think I will give it a 9 on 10 for sure. Perfect for all the girly girls. Second thing that I got from Savannah by Urbanic is this thing that I need to return. This is the piece that I'm going to definitely return and I will tell you why.
A long back, I saw this t-shirt in Zara and I really like the print and it had some embroidery as well, but I didn't expect for the price to be like 3,000. Like, it's just a t-shirt, like a print on a t-shirt after all. So I really didn't think it justified the price at that time. Now that I think about it, I feel like I should have taken it because it was such a statement t-shirt, but theek hai. Then I saw a very similar print and like vibe on Urbanic and I thought I'm gonna get it because it was for 800, better, much better than the price that was earlier quoted. So I bought it and I am not happy with it at all. Like, night suit lag raha hai ye mera. I'm obsessed with brown these days and this did not pass the vibe. Seriously, I really like the print still, but the print का quality है ना, वो ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि night suit का quality है. This t-shirt, the print actually reminded me a lot of my friends. There are 3 girls and the school trio group that I have is also of like us 3 people. But this disappointed me. This t-shirt was not it.
The length of the sleeves as well. You know how this shirt ka sleeves is hitting right on my elbow. This is not. This is like a little above your elbow, so it's that odd length of sleeve. So I really wouldn't recommend this to anyone.
I feel like ऐसे टाइप के मुझे अगर नाइट सूट ही पहनना है तो फिर मैं तो वो मतलब कहीं से भी ले लूँ, right? I could just take it for 200-300 from like a local street shop. So this really didn't pass the vibe.
Let's open the next. We have like, I think we have around 4 pieces in this. 3 dresses and 1 accessory. And we're gonna start with the first piece that I'm seeing right here. It's the dress that I waited a lot for. This is the first dress. It's a white midi dress, but I think by the looks of it, it looks a little maxi. But the reason that I really wanted to buy this was because it's lace, and I just love anything lace. It just looks so romantic, so pretty, and so just like feminine. This, I don't know if it's passing the vibe right now, but let's open this. I actually saw a lot of creators buying this in a different color, and I thought white, like because white is my favorite color, I thought I'll buy it in this color. So I really don't know. It's not giving a very lace vibe, to be honest, but dekhte hain. I just hope it is not transparent. That's the only thing that I'm hoping for. It has a corset like thing, and it's definitely not attached to the niche wala part. Like side se attached hai, पीछे से attached है, लेकिन आगे से it is like an open thing. जो उस पिक्चर में नहीं लग रहा था, to be honest. I will pop it right here. It's not looking like that. That's the fitting. Although it's a little ऐसे, because of the corset like structure only, it is little थोड़ा ऊपर. But otherwise, it was nice. I had to wear a white cycling short inside, and I feel like I should be wearing a longer one just so that, you know, it covers well. But this is the look of it. It looks straight out of like a Christian wedding. This is how it looks from the back as well. There is a cinching right here at the back, so it's going to emphasize your backside a little bit. There's a small like trail, and that's the look. Slightly asymmetric. There is a draping over here, and the corset ka khula section goes over here, so it's more comfortable. All in all, the dress is very beautiful, and just upar ka structure needs to be a little fixed, but otherwise I really like the dress. Very elegant dress. Next up, this yellow piece. Now butter yellow is like all over the internet, and everyone loves this color, and obviously there's a reason. Yellow is a very happy color, and you would want to wear yellow when you're just feeling a little low, because it's like perfectly bright.
Not so much that will overpower something and get you like unwanted attention, but also the happy bright that you just want to wear and feel all nice and positive.
So this is the one that I got. It's a full-on polyester thing. The quality of the fabric really seems like something कि मैं अगर इसके अंदर कुछ भी पहनूं, the panty lines will show. Everything will just show. I just feel like everything will show. It seems like of a very thin, very थोड़ा सा cheap quality. So let's see. Let me try and wear it. The top, oh my god, the top का size is so छोटा. Top का size is so छोटा, guys. So छोटा. This is the top, guys. This is not big boob friendly. I don't think it is big boob friendly. Like, I don't have really big bust, but for the ones who do, I don't think it's gonna help you. इतना सा तो size है इसके coverage का. So it's a sheer top, and it only covers like the breast section. But I don't think it works for like C cup, D cups, and like anything beyond that, because I have a D cup bra and I don't think it's gonna work for me. I'm gonna try it out, and I really hope it does, but if it doesn't, it's majorly because of that. Like I said, it's not gonna work for like bigger chested people because my bra is peeking out. This much is the only fabric there to cover your breast, and the rest of it is fully sheer. So that is okay. I love that design, but then this is very small. This as well. It is, like I told you, it's such a thin fabric that your panty lines are gonna peek out, and that is not something that I want to wear. Chalo, that I can still solve by wearing a seamless, you know, what are those called? Cycling shorts under. But this is nothing that I can work with because it's still gonna show.
I think I now need to switch on my lights because फिर से darkness हो गई है. Sorry, the entire video is just literally yellow light, white light, yellow light, white light.
I'm trying to get a space for all of us so that we can film, and we can film without all of these things. So let's hope that happens soon. This is a black number. Now this is also lace, but this one seems a lot more lace than the white one. You will know why. Ooh, yeah, it is a lot more lace. You can actually just see it. It's a lot more netty and that lace material. It also has a lot of ribbons on the back. Both of these look corset-y.
Oh my god, this looks like angel and devil. वो पता है साइड से आता है जब तुम अपने मन में सोच रहे होते हैं कुछ एक गुड नोट बता रहा है एक बैड नोट बता रहा है. दिस इज वेरी एंजेलिक एंड दिस इज वेरी गॉथिक.
सो बिकॉज इट वाज अ फुल ऑन नेक, दे हैव गिवन कवरेज इनसाइड, और उन्होंने लाइनिंग लगाई है और न्यूड कलर की लाइनिंग लगाई है, लाइक ब्राउन इन फैक्ट. So I think I like that because it'll cover everything and I don't have to wear something separately inside. Unlike the other one, this has full sleeves, and I really like the sleeve ka pattern over here. I have hopes from this one more than the white one. The back side of it is also fully like corset-y only. It gives like full on vintage vibes, just like the white dress. थोड़ी similarities तो definitely हो गई, but you know what? In the end, both of them have a very different vibe. आगे side पे ऐसी drapings है, so I'm really excited to try this one and show it to you all. This is a long dress. I think it's a maxi length dress, especially for short people. So I think it'll go floor length. The last piece in our haul is this accessory. Can you just guess by the look of it what really is this? Popcorn texture था ना वैसा लग रहा है. I think I should have gotten like a white or a black in this, but मैंने yellow ले लिया थोड़ा Pinteresty लगने के लिए. But I don't know how versatile will this be now. But anyway, this is a bag. इतना छोटा bag है. Picture में तो इतना छोटा नहीं लग रहा था. It's looking like a baby का bag now. It wasn't looking this small. It was looking big enough for me to carry like my books or like my laptop. If not my laptop, but my iPad at least. This looks like really small. This looks like a bachche ka bag. Why does this happen with me? First impressions, I really want to return it, but let's see in the mirror if it's looking good or not. Chia, it is so small and it is so weirdly shaped that I just feel like ये कोई बच्चे डॉल खेलते हैं या फिर ड्रेसअप गेम खेलते हैं और उनके लिए एक बैग बन गया. Really not happy with this. I think I'm gonna definitely return this. I think an aesthetic Pinterest girly will definitely like slay this. I don't think I am that girly aesthetic. While I am girly, but not that Pinterest girly, not that streetwear girly, and I just feel like this is not for me. I'm more into chic looks. I'm more into elegant looks, and I think this is my vibe. So I don't think I can slay it so much. Can I? Anyway, quite a disappointment. I'm filming this outro without knowing the kind of fit that these outfits give. So I really don't know if this haul was a disappointment or a success. देखते हैं. Last piece ने तो मुझे एकदम है ना पागल कर दिया है. Anyway, let me know if there's any other shopping brand or shopping site that you would want me to check out and try and buy from there and review, because I know कि इतने सारे sites बन गए आजकल कि you don't even know what is something to trust on. Quality was not an issue in most of these things, but I just feel like the design was something that I experimented with more, and I feel like it's not the brand issue. I feel like this is something that you can actually trust and rely on. I actually bought a pair of Plazos from Urbanic, which is now sold on Savannah by Urbanic, and a lot of people keep asking me for the links of that, so I'm going to leave it in the description box. I'm going to leave all of these links in the description box, in fact. If it didn't suit me, but if it is your vibe, definitely go ahead and buy it. All of these are good quality except for the t-shirt. Not a big fan of that, but if I looked really good in it and you want to twin with me too, then go ahead and get it, because it's in the description box. The link is right there. So that was it for my haul. I hope you guys had a good time, and let's meet in another video. Thank you so much for supporting me in what I love to do. Bye.